Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on sticky keys function in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To look for our sticky keys options, we have to go to Settings, then we're looking for Accessibility menu here, and under Interaction and Dexterity, when we scroll down, we have sticky keys function. What does it do? The same it's doing the same functions that on our Windows computer. So when you press a modifier key like Shift, Ctrl or Alt, it will still stay pressed, so you can enter keyboard shortcuts one key at a time. To turn it off, we simply tap this little checkbox, and now our sticky keys function is active. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.